In this lecture, we're going to show how we can create layers. Layers are a group of transparent sheets combined into a complete drawing. So for example, we can have object lines that are created on the object layer. And we can have dimension lines that are created on the dimension layer. And you can turn on and off each layer separately. So let's look at this drawing. So here we have dimensions in the blue. Here we have a text in the green. Here we have the hatch pattern in the purple. And here we have center mark. And here we have the object lines. So each of those elements are on different layers. So here in the home ribbon, here we have layer step. If we go here, so here we have different layers: center, depth points, dim, hatch, text, zero, and so on. So, for example, we can turn on and off hatch layer. Now we can see that this hatch is gone. But we can go with the on here, and now it's here. So the hatch is created on different layer. Dimensions are created on different layer. Text is created on different layer. So you can turn on and off different layers to show objects, dimensions of your drawings. So let's open here the layer file, this one here. And now we're going to show how we can create those layers. So here by the default we have 0 layer, and when you create dimensions you have depth point layer. So this is automatically created when dimension is added. Now to create a new layer, you can go here to the layer properties. And now here we have this dialog box. And here we can see our two layers, 0 and depth point. Here we have a checked mark, which means that this layer is active. And now for example, we want to create a new layer. Here we have a new. So let's click this one. So here we have to add our name. So let's go with dim, like this. Now if we want to add a new layer again, let's call it hatch, like this. Now we added 2 layers, dim and hatch. And now for example, if we want the dim layer will be active, we can go here and set current, like this one. And now dim layer is active. Now we can close this. And now we can see that here is dim layer, which is active one. If we open this, here we can see hatch layer 0 depth point, but dim layer is active. And now let's select this dimension, right click. Let's go here with select similar, like this. And now let's select this one here, this diameter. Now let's go here and let's select here dim. Now we defined that those dimensions will be on dim layer. So as we can see here, if we select this dimension, here is dim. Now if we select this circle is on 0 layer. If we select this text is on 0 layer. And now for example, let's go to the 0 layer like this. Now let's open this, and now here we can turn on and off layer. So we can now turn off dim layer. And now we don't see our dimensions. If we want to see them, we can turn on our layer like this. Now for example, we want to add a new dimension. We can select here dim layer. We can go here to dimension, and let's add here new dimension. And this dimension will be on dim layer. Now for example, if we go here to the 0 layer, we select dimension, and now for example, let's define this dimension. This dimension will be on 0 layer, not on dim layer. This one here, if we select, is on dim layer, and this one here is on 0 layer. So this is how you can create a new layers.